And stomp your feet. It's time to dance to a Hawaiian beat. Make waves, y'all. Make waves. Make a wave. Make a wave. Now slow down. And now, coconuts and shells. Coconuts themselves, and sir! Big waves. Oh, sorry, everybody. Everyone say, do.
Let a hero show you how it's really done. Here's a party in the sky!
To the start of the cruise, it was the Golden Mickey's Award Show. Give it up for Ensign Benson. She's here to take charge of it. Stitch is in the house. Our Dalmatian boys are here. And then, of course, we had some fun with our pirates last night up on the open deck. Captain Hook has promised to behave tonight, but just in case he doesn't, some pirate friends are here to look after him. Tonight we took a very special journey with Anne-Marie, everybody, Disney Dreams. Her friends, Aladdin, our circle of light singers and dancers are here. But of course, it wouldn't be a celebration without the world-famous Disney characters. Here they are, everybody, Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Daisy Duck, Donald Duck, Chip and Dale, Goofy, Cinderella and Snow White, all joining us this evening. Once again, 20 minutes or so with your very special Disney friends, and then stick around for that magical moment.
See ya real soon.
K-E-Y.
Why? Because we like you.
Thank you, Tinkerbell. Well, it is time to say goodbye to our pirate friends, to